Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Settings and selecting Face ID and Passcode. This puts you in the exact place to configure security. Enter your current passcode so the iPad verifies you, then tap Set up Face ID if none exists, or change passcode to Update. Make sure your face is visible with no heavy obstructions, hold the iPad at arm's length, and clear surrounding bright backlight. Once done, you're ready for the guided face scan that follows. You'll now perform the guided scan, position your face in the on-screen frame, and keep your eyes open. Slowly rotate your head in a smooth circle so the iPad captures multiple angles. The interface asks for 2 enrollments to improve accuracy. If you wear glasses or need a different look, tap Add Alternate Appearance to capture that variation. Make sure the camera stays unobstructed and steady. This improves recognition speed and reduces false rejections. Once the scans finish, enable the toggles you want: iPad Unlock, iTunes and App Store, and Password Autofill, so Face ID covers each action. Test immediately. Lock the iPad and lift to wake, then glance to unlock. This verifies settings and lighting behavior. If Face ID fails repeatedly, reset Face ID and enroll again, or inspect the True Depth camera area for dirt or screen protector interference. If problems persist, restart the iPad and retry before seeking service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.